In this example, we've been asked to create a database called Southern Production to include all of the company information into a software. The software is commissioned by Tiline Gayanthrosoft, and as a senior software engineer, I've been asked to create this software. In this database, we have to create two tables called employee and product. In the employee table, we collect information about different employees, and in the product table, we collect information about products. And the employee table has columns as employee regno, first name, last name, gender, and contact no. In the product table, we have columns called product ID and brand. EMP regno and product ID values are going to act as primary keys, and these columns have varchar data type and different character lengths. So I've already opened my workbench, and here I'm gonna create that new database. I'm gonna name the database as Southern Production DB. And apply. This will create the database. I'm going to delete a previous database named as this to avoid conflict. And in this my new database, I'm going to create the new two tables. The first one is going to be named as employee. And now I'm going to create the columns. The first column is the employee regno. It has a data type of varchar and a length of 10. It is going to act like a primary key. The data type should be varchar and the length should be 10. It's a primary tree, non-nullable. And the other columns are going to be first name, last name, gender, and contact no. Two of them going to have a character length of 45, and the other two of a character length of 10. Last name, gender. This is going to have character length of 10 as we've been asked to, and contact no. The last column is going to be contact no with the character length of 10. I'm deleting that mistakenly created column. Get selected, and we have our first table, and I'm going to hit apply. This will create the table in my new database. Apply. The table is created. I can see the employee table, and now I'm going to create the other table for the products. The first column is going to be product ID, which data type with the data type of varchar and a length of 10. This column is going to act like a primary tree, so it's non-nullable. The data type must be varchar with the length of 10, primary tree, non-nullable. and the other column is going to be product name, and the other is brand, both with the length of 45 characters. So that's it for this table, and I'm going to hit apply. This will create the table called the product in my database. So it was a very easy example actually, with only few columns per table and with only 2 tables for the whole database, and you can see both tables here in the database. So in this example, we have been asked the question as what are the steps you can take to stop data repeat in the product table above. For example, so if we take this table, for each data we add to this table, we has to repeat the brand name. So we can add another table called brand to collect information about brands and link that table to this product table and stop repetition of data. So that's it for this video, and hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.